Okay, so let me flip the camera or the Canon or the Mr. Canon screen so I can see, just in case the Canon that you can't see, just in case so I can catch Ollie. But anyway, we're gonna be unboxing this cooler mass or power supply, so let's get going. But before we get going, let's draw the intro, okay? Draw the intro, Michael. There we go. Okay, so let's get going on that. So this is the semi-modular power supply. So this only would have, let's see here, it would only have the 24 pin in the 4 pin, well, in the 8 pin too, now I think about it, so pretty much simple. Boom, there we go. We are in there really quick. So little instruction guide just in case you never installed a power supply in your life. So it's gonna tell you the cables too. So like I said, comes with these cable, comes with a nice power cord. The normal screws right there. But it comes with this bundle of pretty nice cable actually. These are nice and flat. I know some people are not a big fan of these flat ones. So let's see here. This one, oh okay, this one have 2 SATA and 1 Molex. No, 2 Molex. That's kind of weird. Okay, this one look like just SATA or all SATA. And this one look like your GPU cable. So yeah, PCI. So you get your PCI, which I most likely will do a quick overlay shot for you, or yeah, a quick overlay for you people. So of each of those, and we pull it straight out. There we go. There we go. So as you can see. As you can see, this is a 550 watts, and like I said earlier ago, this is a semi-modular power supply. So being it's a semi-modular, it's only have the 24 pin and the 8 pin, which they have divided up the 8 pin in 2 halves. So just in case you might as well don't have, which this Gigabyte Mini ITX that I have right next to me only have a 4 pin strictly. So that's pretty much it. So that's one of the nice features I picked out, or the reason why I picked out this power supply. So your typical power supply, there's nothing much to operate these power supply. The one thing I've read, or the feature I read, or one of the feature I read is this fan will not turn on under a certain load. So this will be pretty quiet. Nice thing is the fan will never seize up on me, or the bearing of the fan will never get wear out. So that's pretty nice. Nice thing is, the voltage control on this power supply is automatic, so if you went to another country where the voltage is totally different, this power supply will automatically switch over to the correct voltage to your state. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, so nothing much to say. This is pretty much a pretty main product, so that's one thing. So I'm gonna say thank you, because obviously this doesn't have very much. Actually, instead of installing it, putting an overlay shot, I'm going to get this lens autofocus. There we go. So as you can see, this is for your video cord. So this is where you plug the video cord. Then on the other side is for you PSU, which they don't have it labeled, so I guess somebody could easily get this confused. So that's only downside. Yeah, this end goes to the PSU, because if you look at this, as you can see, these two are for SATA and hard drive. So we got this end have strictly 4. This is a 4 set. Like I said, pretty long cable too. Then this one have 2 SATA right here, 2 Molex, and a floppy controller or floppy. So I guess if you're running a floppy drive in your new computer, I guess you would be using it, which I doubt nobody's not using floppy drive anymore. So I'm gonna say thank you for watching, because not much to say about this power supply. It just, all this power supply is doing is just powering up the PC mostly. So thank you for watching. Now the one thing I will give credit before I forget, this is all black cable, so that's pretty nice, unlike other budget power supply. Well, it's rainbow color. So but anyway, let's get back on track. So like I said, thank you for watching. If you stumble across or if you will Google searching this Cooler Master 55 watt power supply, if you will Google searching that, and if you stumble across my video, feel free to check out my other video. But if you don't know how to check out my video gallery, there's 2 different ways. The one way is going in my video notes, and when you go over to my video notes, if you click that link, it will take you over to my video gallery, and that's where you can check out video I've posted in the past. Another way too is clicking on my username. You'll be landing on my YouTube homepage, and that's where you see stuff I have on my YouTube homepage. And once you land on my YouTube homepage, click on the video tab and you'll be in the video gallery same way. So two different directions if you want to. Then if the video caught your interest, feel free to subscribe and follow me on Google Plus page 2. And if you did subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell notification. That will notify you of any video I've uploaded or live stream. Then give the video a like or a dislike, whatever you feel like. then the video notes, click on show me more, because if you click on show me more, the video notes will expand, and when the video does expand, you will see my email address if you need to contact me. Amazon wish list, if you did support the Amazon wish list, I will give you whatever shout out. So if you want your name out there, or if you want to be an anonymous user, you will mostly get a thank you from me, or I will thank you in a way. So from being an anonymous user, or from a user who don't mind have his name or her name out there. Then if you're signed up with one of those community detective forums, feel free to say hi to me. Then if you have any nice comment, of this Cool Master 550 watt power supply, feel free to post your comment there if you have any constructive comment of this particular power supply. And yeah, that's pretty much it, so I will catch you next time in the next video.